A wheelbarrow plays a huge role in gardening and construction. It's an essential tool that's easy to use and transport materials, soil, tools, or supplies from one place to another. This hand-propelled vehicle requires it to be pushed or guided, and it comes in various different types. They're meant for anywhere from light work to heavy use. There are different types and designs that you can choose from depending on what you need. In choosing the best item for you, jot down your preferences that you'd like to see, as well as how deep you prefer the bin should be. They're also made of steel, and some are made of polycarbonate and wood. Stay tuned as we bring you the 5 best wheelbarrows on the market. At number 1 is the True Temper 6 cubic foot wheelbarrow. It features steel handles and flat-free tire, which speaks more for its durability. Its undercarriage is heavy-duty. The steel tray is sturdy enough to handle even the most damaging load that you need to put on board. It comes with 6 cubic feet of capacity and a 3 3/4 inch pneumatic flat-proof tire. These are also called the Never Flat tires. This cart is a single wheel with 16 inches of the wheel diameter. It runs for 58.75 inches in length and stands 27 inches high. The assembly of the cart is easy, and the cleaning process is as well. Just make sure to secure the bolts and nuts to avoid popping off the parts. Keep in mind, especially for those purchasing for pre-assembled units. It's offered at a fair price with good quality and is a great deal. At number 2 on our list is the True Temper 4 cubic foot poly wheelbarrow. This may be small compared to other carts offered on the market, but it can surely do wonders and help you to tending your garden. It weighs 28 pounds. Just don't leave it outside or left under the rain more often, as it tends to get cracked. But it is corrosion proof. The undercarriage is made of steel. The handles are steel-coated hardwood. Its plastic bin is small yet durable with 53 inches in depth. This 4 cubic foot capable wagon is best recommended for residential use. It's not advisable for heavy usage like on construction sites or anything that demands carrying heavier loads. It's meant for lighter yard work like carrying mulch and soil. It has a design with a slope and curved front in order to easily dump and spread the load. The 16-inch wheels are made of rubber but are also inflated. At number 3 is the Jackson 6 cubic foot steel wheelbarrow. The steel trays are industrial grade and can withstand rigorous and heavy-duty work. It has patented leg stabilizers and sturdy tube tires. The 60-inch hardwood handles are thick and able to handle a heavy day's work. The steel bracing is much wider in its stance, which refrains the cart from tipping over. It's recommended and useful to use this on tougher or challenging job sites. Although it is a little bit heavier, it comes with high quality, sturdy, and dependable materials. It can be assembled in less than 5 minutes. The wheelbarrow is 26 inches high, 60 inches long, and 25.5 inches wide. It weighs just over 55 pounds. With this item, you'll also get the 16-inch solid tire that is flat-proof. It can carry heavier and demanding loads without ever having to worry about a flat. It also has no trouble going through bumpy or rough surfaces. At number 4 is the Milwaukee 6 cubic foot heavy-duty pivot handle wheelbarrow. Its ergonomic design focuses on a more improved balance when dumping or transporting loads. Although engineered for 6 cubic feet, the tray is designed to be wider than any other typical wheelbarrow for weight distribution and to have a much lower center of gravity. It's uniquely designed where the tray is set on the cart's handles to engage the front part of the wheelbarrow on the ground with a lesser tilt. This way, you're able to dump the loads and prevent it from sliding forward. The tires of this wheelbarrow are flat-proof, so no maintenance is required. You're able to pass through bumpy and rough surfaces without ever having to worry about getting a flat. The 6 cubic foot tray is wider than typical ones, and it's made out of metal, giving you even more space and durability to load your materials. This product is intentionally designed with pivoting handles that are made of sturdy steel. You'll be callus-free with this item thanks to its finger and knuckle protection placed at the end of the cups. It stands 25 inches, 60 inches wide, and 30 inches deep. The material of its 6-inch single wheel is made in rubber and weighs 47 pounds total. You can have this wheelbarrow assembled in no time and right away start your gardening or construction project. We're now down to the last product on our list. If you've already found the item that you want, check out the links in the description below and catch it at its best deal. Now, don't forget to tap the bell icon to get more updates from us. Let's proceed. At number 5 on our list is the Dandux Loadumper. This 4 cubic foot load bumper wheelbarrow in beige is recommended because of its ergonomic design. The cart serves different purposes. It's engineered for easy handling, wherein you aren't required to make even a single lift to haul it away. It features the forward design, which allows superior balance and easy dumping. Everything you need to dump from the wagon goes out without the need to scoop the remnants in the tub. This is definitely a user-friendly tool. It's easy to navigate and you don't need to worry about bumps or scrapes thanks to the high-quality finish. It's thanks to premium quality design. The tub is easy to clean polyethylene. The handle and frame are made of non-corrosive powder-coated steel. It also boasts the bottom base, which is a solid bar. This 4 cubic foot wheelbarrow offers solid rubber no-flat tires. The wheel is also 15 inches in diameter. This cart is able to carry 200 pounds of weight and comes in a classy green finish. The item weighs 25 pounds and you can have it assembled in less than a minute with no sweat. It also has a folding handle that serves for easy storage. There's no maintenance needed for this cart. And there you have the top 5 wheelbarrows on the market today. Whether you're using one for light residential work or heavy use on a construction site, we hope that we help you find the next cart for you. If you found something that met your preference, check the link in the description box to catch that item at its best offer. Let us know too if there's any products you have in mind that you'd like to see in one of our upcoming videos. Write your comments and suggestions and our research team will get to work to give you a fair and square product review. Stay up to date with our latest happenings by tapping the bell icon. You can also become part of our growing community by subscribing to our channel, and you'll get the chance to see more of our informative videos. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.